Welcome to Vienna for our Summer Immersion. 7 days, over 150 learners, deep diving into the topic of being future ready, having skills for a purposeful career. Let's dive in.
So on the Quest of Tomorrow, we sent all our students from around the world on an urban adventure. And they had the chance to get to know each other, to also have fun, and to challenge themselves a bit.
I had such a great time with learners, exploring Vienna and solving the challenges that I never thought I would be able to solve on my own in the past.
And let's use this as a mantra for today. Live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever.
My workshop was about your 3 jobs, so really making sure that you balance all the things in your life and make sure that you make the sacrifices that you want to make in your week. And why it matters is that we are working in a world that's continuously changing, and it's very important to know also with your future, and you have to work for a long time, where am I going to make my sacrifices and what are the things that I want to keep in my schedule.
I'm the founder of Smart Menu Design. I'm focusing on making sustainable food more attractive to consumers at restaurants and in all kinds of food environments. And I'm here today to present about my idea, to discuss a little bit with my fellow students about it, and also to get some feedback from professors and also from students to improve it.
Thanks for having me on the panel. Amazing discussion. I love the energy in the room, and of course, as expected, the hot topic was artificial intelligence, which is top of mind for everyone. A lot of potential has been seen, and we are seeing customers that realize the potential of AI, see a competitive advantage and invest into it to get everyone, every employee on board.
So there we have it, a week of connection and immersion, all made possible by our fantastic community of learners. Those people who have stepped up to lead, use their time, use their skills in things like workshops and activities, sharing their passion with the wider community about things they really care about. Will we be seeing you at the next one?